Welcome to the Dinar Community channel, where we deliver detailed insights and updates on the dynamic landscape of Iraqi Dinar IQD investment. Today's episode focuses on a topic that's gaining serious traction among currency holders: how Chase Bank, one of the largest and most respected financial institutions in the U.S., might handle IQD exchanges in the event of a revaluation RV. With increasing buzz around the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, many investors are eager to understand how such a significant financial shift could be managed, especially by major U.S. banks. Understanding possible procedures, including exchange caps, identity verification, and how your banking tier may affect your experience, is crucial for navigating the process smartly and confidently. In a market often clouded by hearsay and speculation, having a grounded perspective is vital. This discussion aims to help IQD holders create realistic expectations based on financial reasoning and historical precedent. Potential exchange limits at major banks. One of the primary concerns for the IQD community is the possibility of daily exchange restrictions, often referred to as exchange caps. These hypothetical caps could greatly impact how swiftly investors are able to convert their dinar into US dollars, particularly during the initial days or weeks after a potential RV. Should the dinar's value significantly increase, financial institutions are likely to see a dramatic spike in customer activity. While this uptick may signal a positive return on investment, it poses serious operational challenges for banks. Institutions like Chase aren't structured to instantly process large volumes of high-value transactions without risking liquidity issues. To maintain order and ensure sustainable operations, banks may impose temporary limits on how much currency can be exchanged per day. These caps would serve multiple purposes: preventing system overloads, maintaining balanced cash flow, and promoting fairness among all clients. In fact, such practices align with international banking standards. Countries undergoing monetary shifts in the past have implemented similar measures, making it a logical and expected approach for Chase and other regulated institutions. Likely banking procedures if the RV occurs. While Chase Bank hasn't issued any official policy regarding the Iraqi dinar, we can look at industry best practices to make informed predictions. Among the most likely outcomes: transaction limits may be implemented initially, with flexibility depending on your account type. Retail clients may encounter conservative caps. Wealth management and private clients might have higher or negotiable thresholds. Verification will be a major focus. Banks could request purchase receipts, certificates of authenticity, government-issued ID. Experts also believe Chase may roll out exchanges in phases, starting with high-net-worth individuals or long-term clients before opening access to the general public. Regulatory compliance. KYC and AML standards. In any high-value currency exchange, Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations come into play. Chase, operating under oversight from agencies like the Office of the Controller of the Currency (OCC) and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network (FinCEN), would be legally obligated to enforce strict compliance. This means investors may need to provide detailed documentation, such as proof of the origin of funds, tax history for large amounts, verified legal acquisition of dinar holdings. Exchanges would most likely be credited to your bank account electronically. However, access to large amounts of cash might be temporarily restricted to help manage liquidity during the early days of an RV. Insights from the Dinar community. Renowned analysts such as Frank26 have consistently emphasized the potential for temporary and tiered exchange limits. His view mirrors what banks have historically done in major currency events, gradually rolling out services in a controlled, fair manner. Many voices in the community stress the importance of preparation. Establish relationships with banks now. Organize and store all purchase documentation. Maintain an open line of communication with financial institutions. Investors who proactively build rapport with bank representatives are likely to benefit from smoother, faster exchanges compared to those who delay until the last minute. Iraq's financial developments and what they signal. The Central Bank of Iraq has been steadily working to solidify the country's financial standing. With foreign currency reserves on the rise and increasing engagement with international financial institutions like the IMF and World Bank, Iraq appears to be taking the necessary steps to stabilize and reform its economy. These improvements have reignited investor confidence and strengthened speculation that an IQD revaluation could eventually happen, though no official confirmation exists at this time. Monitoring developments like trade agreements, fiscal reforms, and oil production policy changes can provide important clues about the country's trajectory and any potential impact on the dinar. How to prepare as an IQD investor. To prepare for any potential RV scenario, consider the following strategic steps. Open and maintain accounts with major banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America. Existing customers may have smoother access to foreign currency services. Keep detailed records of your dinar purchases, including receipts and certificates. Consult professionals, such as financial advisors, wealth managers, and tax specialists, to create a comprehensive plan for managing post-exchange funds. Stay informed using credible sources. Avoid reacting to rumors, online speculation, or insider tips that lack verifiable proof. Final thoughts. Although an official RV of the Iraqi dinar has not been declared, the underlying developments in Iraq's economy point to gradual improvement and growing credibility. Those who stay prepared, with organized documentation, strategic bank relationships, and a sound financial plan, will be best positioned to respond effectively if a revaluation takes place. Preparation, awareness, and caution are your best allies. By staying focused on facts over hype, you'll be ready to navigate whatever comes next with confidence and clarity. Like and subscribe for more videos.